Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will answer a much asked question, which is how can I sell my ElonGate? Yeah, maybe you've held on to ElonGate for a while now and you think it's time to sell. Quick disclaimer, I don't think right now is a great time to sell because we're experiencing the crypto dip and I don't want to sell my ElonGate at a new low basically. Yeah, this is my thinking. You haven't lost any money if you haven't sold yet. So right now I'm on the Trustwallet and I'm going to show you now how you can sell your ElonGate. So here I have ElonGate. And what you will need to do is you'll need to find the browser icon here in the bottom row, browser. If it doesn't show up, don't worry, you will first have to activate it, at least if you are an iOS user. On Android, it's automatically there. If you are using iOS, you will first need to activate it. So check out the link in the description. I made a little video about this. It's super quick. Just you need it in order to sell your ElonGate. Yeah, so activate the browser field and then come back to this video. You can just open it in a new tab. So once you have activated your browser field, we'll click on browser and then we'll see all these different options here, like all these marketplaces and everything. We want to search in PancakeSwap. You can either search it in or you can just go to popular. You can see it's on first rank at popular at the moment. And we want to, just click on PancakeSwap. And what we want to do then, right now my wallet is connected, but it will say connect here if you're using it for the first time. So you just want to hit connect and then tap on Trust Wallet and it will automatically connect your current Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. We need this in order to change our coins. So what you need to do right now is you need to search in ElonGate. So here in this field you will need to paste in the ElonGate address. If you watched my video on how to buy ElonGate, this will be very familiar to you, and indeed it's the same address, of course. I've told you to save it here. Now the problem is this is my girlfriend's phone and I'm filming with my phone and I only have ElonGate on my phone. Despite this, I don't think it's a great time to sell at the moment. It went down 17% just today, so I'm not gonna sell anything right now. I'm just walking you through the process so you understand and then you're ready to sell when you think is the right time. But basically you will paste in the ElonGate address, the contract address. I just put it into the description of the video. You can copy it from there and paste it in and then it will say ElonGate. But if you watched the video on how to buy ElonGate, you will know that I told you please save it here and then it will just be in your list. Yeah, so you select ElonGate. Imagine it's ElonGate right now and then you just hit max and then you select the currency, and this is now the important thing. You need to select BNB. Yeah, so here will be ElonGate with your max if you just want to sell everything. If you just want to sell a bit, then obviously you need to type in exactly the amount that you want to sell. But the concept is we will first swap it to BNB. So we select BNB and this field will pop up and it will say confirm swap or swap. And we hit this field and then there's going to be a little page that will basically tell us max amount is like $1 or $2 or like €1 or something like this. And this is not in the end the money that you will receive by swapping it. This is just for the transaction fee. So you hit confirm and then there will be another pop-up saying swap. And then when you swap this, after some minutes, you'll get the amount of BNB credited to your Trust Wallet. Yeah, so you put in ElonGate here, the contract address is in the description box, and then here you put in BNB, you swap it to BNB, literally just like we did it to buy it as well. Yeah, it's the same process via PancakeSwap. So when we bought it, we put in BNB and then ElonGate, and then we swap BNB to ElonGate, and now we do the reverse. And then after some minutes, you will find your BNB on your Trust Wallet. Also make sure, this is a great thing actually, I haven't said this yet, make sure to log out. Just click on your thing here and click log out because your wallet is going to be safer like this if you're not logged in everywhere. So you want to hit wallet and then on your wallet, you'll just go to BNB and after some minutes, you will find your BNB here in your wallet. So what we want to do is we want to do a normal crypto transaction to our Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, just quickly sign up for Binance. It's obviously completely free to sign up for Binance. Please use the link in the description as well if you do sign up because it has a little referral code and it would really help out this channel. If you don't know how to send a crypto transaction, I also made a video about this. Of course, the link is as well in the description, but basically you just hit send and then you paste in the address from your Binance BNB wallet and you just hit max again and then you send it to your Binance account, and we'll actually sell the BNB now for the market price. And for this, as I said, I'm gonna hop onto my laptop quickly and I'm gonna walk you through this. Click deposit here on Binance, then you'll get your address for the BNB, and then on your Trustwallet you click send. Then you paste in the address and you select however much you want to send to your Binance address. Yeah, it's just like a normal crypto transfer. But once you have your BNB or indeed any crypto here, you want to sell it. First of all, we need to go to our fiat and spot wallet, and then we need to scroll down to the coin that we want to sell. So in this case, BNB. You can see my balance right now is 0, but trust me, I've done this numerous times in the past, and we want to hit trade. And then we select the fiat currency that we want to cash out. In my case, this will be euros, but you can also select other currencies like, I don't know, Australian dollars and even other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. But for me, I want to trade it to euros. I just want to cash out my crypto. I'm done with crypto. No, of course I'm not, just kidding. I'm just showing you how this works right now. So we will be redirected to this interface here, which takes a while to load. It looks like such a complicated mess if you're doing it for the first time. You will see the little candlesticks here for the traders of you, and you'll see all the courses, all the trades, all the ins and outs. This is obviously way too complex for us, so we scroll down here to the page and we want to hit where we see market, yeah, not limit but market, because this will enable us to sell our BNB or any cryptocurrency, whatever we select. We can sell it at the real-time market price, yeah? So here we need to put in however much BNB we want to sell. If your balance is not 0, like mine is right now, it will say an option somewhere where you can select max. So let's say you have a total of 2 BNB that you want to sell. Obviously, I'm getting the warning right now that my max amount is 0.000, but there will be an option, as I said, to just hit max, and then you can sell everything. And please make sure that market is selected, because this, as I said, enables us to sell it at the market price. If we are more patient, we can enable something like stop limit and blah blah blah, but this is quite complex, at least in the beginning. Yeah, we just want to get rid of it for the actual market price. And then once we verified all the information here, all we do is we hit sell BNB. And literally, this is the only thing that you need to do, yeah? You don't need to hit anything else. It will in an instant sell your BNB, and you'll get the fiat currency that you selected. In my case, it's euros. You will get it credited to your Binance account. So literally, you just have to hit it once, and there's no more verification or anything. You just sold the cryptocurrency that you put in, and you'll get credited the amount of euros or US dollars or whatever that you can then access back in your wallet under fiat and spot. So then when you go to your wallet again, maybe it takes like 2-3 minutes or whatever. But for me, the last time I did it, it was really, really quick. It was really a thing of like 30 seconds. And then you will find the amount of euros here in your wallet under fiat and spot, and then you can click withdraw if you want to cash it out then to your bank account, because now we got rid of our crypto, we sold it for the market price, and now you want to click withdraw. You want to hit fiat because we actually want to withdraw to our bank account, and here we can select the currency that we want to withdraw. And obviously you can select all the fiat currencies here. For me it would be euros again. And then you can select the bank transfer or the bank card with Visa, and then you have some other local options as well. These will probably depend on the country where you have your bank account registered. And here you just select however much you want to withdraw. Again, it will say max if you actually have fiat currency there. And then you just hit continue, you put in your bank details, and this is how you can create a bank transfer from your Binance account that will cash out the money that you just sold with your cryptocurrencies from Binance, and it will transfer it to your bank account. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. If you did, smash the like button and leave a subscription to the channel. I post daily videos here, mainly about crypto, sometimes about travel. Like currently you can see the room is a mess. I'm currently in Playa del Carmen in Mexico. I'm living the digital nomad life at the moment, and I'm trying to film videos from wherever I go basically. If you have any more questions like these, like for this video, this was inspired by a lot of you guys asking me how do I sell ElonGate or how do I sell SAFEMOON. So if you do have these questions, don't hesitate, just message me on Instagram at LXCAP. I'm not really big on Instagram yet, so I will certainly see the message requests. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.